What's going on, guys? Stay tuned, because today we're doing an unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S10. Right, guys, so let's see what we've got inside of the box. There we go. This is the actual phone on the top. As you can see, there is a piece of film coming here from the back panel, so we're going to remove it a bit later. The color is actually pretty cool. This is a white color, but to me it looks more like pearl because of this nice cool reflections here at the back. Okay, so let's leave it at the side. What else is there? And this is a charger. Type-C cable goes right in here. This is a Type-C to USB adapter for the cable that also comes in the box. And this is the actual cable, I believe, isn't it? Let's see. Yeah, that's the one. So I'm going to leave it as it is for now. And this pretty cool AKG headphones. Very nice. I love this texture. This is nice material on the sides. The actual wire itself is not a plastic or rubber. It's kind of a nice material. AKG, supposed to be pretty nice headphones. Check them out later. Okay, what else is there? Anything else in the box? Alright, looks like some instruction manuals are here as well. Serial number, something there. Okay, what's inside? Oh, nice cool pin here. That's to open the actual SIM card and memory slots. I suppose. Let's leave it there. What's in this box? Warranty, of course. What else could be there? Warranty, Samsung Pay. Well, paperwork, as I call it. Oh, and a nice case comes here as well. I had no clue there is a free case included in the package. Pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, so that's it. That's the whole package. Okay, one last thing to do. Let's remove this film at the back. There we go. Boom. There's the phone without the film. Looking pretty cool. I really like this white color. Hey guys, if you like the video, click thumbs up, leave your comments in the section below, subscribe. Until the next time.